Okay, so I'm here in the bathroom. I wet my hair, and here is my pure Stinging Nettle soap. I've taken it out of the package, and this is what it will look like. Nice dark green. So it is pure Stinging Nettle shampoo soap. That's great for hair loss, thinning, balding. It soothes your scalp, strengthens your hair. Nettle is packed with minerals and vitamins that will help nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair strands. So I have wet my hair, and now what I'm going to do is wet the soap. Start here on top and show you how easy it lathers up. And I always start off on my crown because this is the area that I lost my hair. And now what I'm going to do is take my hair down on this side. I'll wet the soap a little bit more, rub it between my hands. Just shampoo, just rub the soap on my hair, part my hair, and apply it to my scalp. It's very easy to hold in my hand. And then I just take the bar and smooth it down the length of my hair. So I am going to massage my scalp. Then I'm going to twist it up like that, move it out the way, and then I will do. So now what I'm going to do is let my nettle soap sit on my scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse my hair out, deep condition my hair, and do a herbal tea rinse, and I am all done. Okay, I am all done rinsing pure Stinging Nettle shampoo out of my hair. My hair is soft, my hair isn't tangled, my scalp feels great, and I just love how my hair feels. And I am going to do a henna treatment in the next coming weeks. So this is what my hair looks like. I love how the soap really defines my curls, and sometimes after shampooing my hair, it's so soft that it doesn't feel like I need a deep conditioner, but I always deep condition my hair no matter what. So get your pure Stinging Nettle soap today. Hi, it's Evelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. And if this is your first time watching, welcome, and please consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you my new product, which is my pure Stinging Nettle shampoo bar. For many years, I've wanted to make a shampoo, an actual shampoo that you can wash your hair with. I am very passionate about Stinging Nettle. I lost my hair several years ago in the crown of my hair. Stinging Nettle saved me from hair loss. Nettle is packed with minerals and vitamins and that will help nourish and provide nutrients to your follicles and stop hair loss and promote hair growth. This is how my Nettle is packaged. It will come with 10 individual shampoo bars, as well as it will have the ingredients and directions on the back, and you get 10 individual soap bars. This is how each bar is packed, individually wrapped. My shampoo soap will be available August 10th. And what I would like to do is give away 2 bars to 3 of my subscribers, and it's packed like this, and inside, open it up, and here is your full-size shampoo bar that you can get between 3 and 4 washes with this shampoo bar. It doesn't have a perfume scent. It's very earthy, and I love the way Stinging Nettle smells. You must be a subscriber, and I do check to see if you are actually a subscriber. US only. Share with me why you would like to try my pure Stinging Nettle shampoo bar. So this completes my video. I hope it was helpful, that you enjoyed watching. And if you are a new viewer, as I said earlier, welcome to my channel, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon in my next video. Bye bye.